Hey, what's going on? It's Hobbit here, part of the Big Up team, and today I'm here to show you how to make some all-vocal Foley sounds, which basically means giving an item a sound to bring it to life. That happens in the show. Check this out. So you can use any item in your house, and remember, any sound is a good sound. You do not have to be a professional beatboxer to be able to do this. So check this. Game over. So we'd like you to have a go at making some Foley sounds using just your mouth. So have a go, play with some items, bring them to life, and share them with us so we can see how amazing you're doing. Big up!
Share with us a video, a photo of what you've made using the hashtag BigUpAtHome. And don't forget to tag us.